Hello and welcome to CKE 10001's gaming channel. This is CKE speaking, and today we'll be looking at Game Boy Advance video Dragon Ball GT. The Dragon Ball GT Game Boy Advance video includes two episodes: A Grand Problem, Episode 1 of Dragon Ball GT, and Episode 2, Pan's Gambit. This is the Funimation dub of Dragon Ball GT, and it has the American dub opening. So this is the front cover of the box. As you can see, it was really cheap when I got it, inexpensive. So here, the front, and then there's the episode titles, subtitles right there, and there's the back of the box with some of the summary of the episodes. Alright, and we'll take a look inside the box as well. Here's the Game Boy Advance video game pack, how it looks like. And comes with a little promotional instruction booklet on how to how these videos work and function. It's all in black and white, gray, and some credits and promotional for other Game Boy Advance videos at the back. Now we'll take a look at the video itself. And this is the menu screen. You can press start and start again, and select either episode you want to watch. This concludes the Dragon Ball GT Game Boy Advance video. Seeing how it's not actually a game, but episodes, I can't really give it an overall rating. But I have to say one thing, is that the opening for the Funimation dub used in this game pack of Game Boy Advance video, I did not like. But I like the Ocean dub by Canada. Their opening I found to be a lot more smooth and a lot more better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.